Before starting a blog, it's crucial to do proper keyword research. Finding the right keyword with a good search volume, something people are actively searching for on Google, lays the foundation for your blog success. As a beginner or student, I understand that investing on paid keyword research tool can be challenging. For instance, Ahrefs starts at $129 per month and SEMrush is priced at $139 per month. These tools are excellent, but they are very expensive when you are just starting out. So, what are your options as a beginner? Are there free keyword research tools that can make your blogging journey smoother? Absolutely. In today's video, I'll introduce you to 5 amazing keyword research tools that you can use to kickstart your blogging journey. But I'm not just going to list them, I'll also show you exactly how to use them, making it easier for you to implement these strategies. Whether you are a beginner or a working professional, you don't need to spend on expensive tools to start your blogging. With the right approach, you can achieve great results for free. If you're new to this channel, I encourage you to watch this video completely till the end. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. I'm Nandakishore, digital marketer and content creator. Let's dive in without further delay. Tool number 1, Ahrefs free keyword generator. When I started blogging, Ahrefs free keyword generator was one of the tools I relied on. It allows you to search for keywords across platforms like Google, Bing, YouTube and even Amazon. Here is how it works. Type your query. For instance, how to edit videos on iPhone. Choose your target country. Click Find keywords. This tool then provides a list of keywords along with essential metrics. For instance, how to edit videos on iPhone, keyword difficulty easy, search volume over 1000 monthly searches. Similarly, how to edit videos on iPhone for YouTube, keyword difficulty easy, search volume less than 100 monthly searches. It's clear that while the main keyword has a higher search volume, the alternative has less competition. However, don't just rely on keyword difficulty or search volume alone. A thorough analysis is necessary before finalizing a keyword for your blog. As a beginner, it's crucial to focus on this step, which I'm going to tell you right now, that proper keyword research goes beyond keyword difficulty and requires evaluating multiple factors to ensure your content targets the right audience. So I'll go to Google and enter the same keyword here, how to edit videos on iPhone. Now if you scroll down, we can see these websites that are ranking for this particular keyword. You can also check the domain authority, which measures the credibility and strength of a website. For instance, this site has a domain authority of 94 while this has 65. A higher domain authority indicates stronger likelihood of ranking higher on search engine results page. We need to observe the starting 5 to 6 results whose domain rating shows 30, then we can consider that keyword. If it's more than 30, then it's highly difficult to rank for. You can get these insights by installing Ubersuggest SEO and Keyword Discovery Chrome extension for free. This extension shows domain authority, estimated traffic, the number of backlinks, number of organic keywords. It also shows related keywords in this side panel. This tool will be helpful in your blogging journey for sure. So we shouldn't target this keyword because already big companies are ranking for this keyword. Tool number 2, Ryan Robinson, free keyword research tool. Another best keyword research tool is free keyword research tool by Ryan Robinson. In fact, this is one of my favorite keyword research tools because this guy understands the pain point every blogger faces while doing keyword research. That's not all. Whenever a free keyword research tool becomes popular on the internet, it soon becomes a paid tool due to its high demand and usage. So that's why Mr. Ryan has developed this tool in collaboration with his friend. That's awesome, isn't it? And the best part is this tool is going to be free forever. Alright, you can check out the complete story in this video. It's really interesting. Now let's do the keyword research. I'll enter best email marketing tools and hit submit, and you will see the search volume and the keyword difficulty is medium. That's good, but as I said before, we need to do thorough analysis to finalize the primary keyword. You can also see the other keyword suggestions in this list. Now let me show you the cool part. If you click on this generate more keyword ideas, it shows topic for are, what, when, where, which and more. Let's say if you click on one of these, then it opens up blog title generator, and if you click on generate, as you can see, it has generated 10 blog titles. Crazy, isn't it? You can click to copy and use it. Tool number 3, Wordstream free keyword tool. The next tool we have in our list is Wordstream free keyword tool. Wordstream is a popular name in the SEO space, and they have been helping small businesses with their advertising services and award-winning Facebook and Google ads performance graders. Apart from that, they also have a free keyword research tool. Go to this link to access Wordstream free keyword tool, wordstream.com/keywords. I'll leave a link in the description. You'll come to this page. Let's enter the keyword and click Get My Keywords. You'll get this pop-up. You can choose an industry, state or country and click continue. We have search volume, and these metrics are helpful for people who intend to run ads. Another interesting thing is you can enter the domain of your competitor and search to uncover the keywords they are using. By the way, this is a great tool if you want to get accurate search data because this data is pulled from the Google API. Tool number 4, free keyword search volume tool by SEO.ai. Finding a free keyword research tool without limits can be tough, right? If you have been on the hunt, you know it's not easy to get accurate data without hitting some sort of restriction. But guess what? I have found a tool that make your life a lot easier. This is SEO.ai. It's a free keyword research tool that gives you average monthly search volume for any keyword that you are looking for. And the best part, you can get real-time search volume data without worrying about hitting daily limits or restrictions like you see with other free tools. You can access this tool by visiting this link, searchvolume.io. You'll come here. Now you can add your targeted keywords, one per line. I'll add best email marketing tools. In the second line, email marketing tool, and choose the country and hit submit. There we go. It provides you with the average monthly search volume and no other details like keyword difficulty, etc, etc. But it tells you the average monthly search volume, and with that you can do further research to finalize your keyword. Here is the cool thing about search volume. If you are just starting out, you don't need to worry about targeting huge numbers. Even keyword with a search volume of 10 or 20 can be a great choice. If a keyword shows up in a SEO tool, that means people are actively searching for it. And remember, some of these emerging keywords might not even show up on the big tools like Ahrefs yet. So if you spot a keyword, jump on it while it's trending. Tool number 5, SpyFu keyword research tool. Finally, the last keyword research tool that we have on the list is SpyFu keyword research tool. SpyFu is another SEO and PPC tool giving you the information related to keywords, backlinks, competitor analysis, and a lot more. Now, SpyFu has a free version where you can test out its features with some limitations. But I would say the free version itself has a plenty of data which you can use for your keyword research. To access this tool, just visit spyfu.com/keyword and enter your keyword, best email marketing tools, and choose the country and hit search. Now you see the results under the keyword overview tab: monthly search volume, estimated clicks, related keywords and questions, and the organic keyword difficulty here, right? If you scroll down, you can see the most successful advertisers and their best ads, organic ranking history, and top 10 organic search ranking analysis. And if you scroll further down, it shows the current ads. Awesome, right? Also, you can check the other tabs for related keywords, advertiser history, backlinks, SERP analysis for more insights. But anyway, we have seen all of them in the keyword overview tab itself. You have seen, right, in the free version itself, you are getting a lot of information. It's better to bookmark it and start using it right away. There you have 5 best free tools for blogging. Start your blogging journey with these free keyword research tools. And once you start getting some kind of revenue, you can go for paid tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. If you're already getting good revenue and want to scale up further with premium tools, then I would recommend SEMrush. Click the very first link in the description to get your free trial. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and grow together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Anke YouTube channel for more valuable content like this. Drop your questions and share your blogging journey in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at digital_RNK for more valuable tips on digital marketing and blogging. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Digital Anke YouTube channel.